Hello, my friend. My name is Alex.
And I'm Emma.
Welcome to English Simple Podcast.
We are so happy you are here today.
Today is special
Very special.
because today we will share 10 simple daily habits that help you learn English faster.
These habits will help you learn English faster.
Much faster.
And the best part?
They are easy.
Anyone can do them.
You don't need hours every day.
You don't need expensive courses.
You just need these simple habits.
Small actions every day.
Big results over time.
That is how learning works.
Before we start, if you are new here, please subscribe.
Press the red button below.
We make simple English videos every week.
And we want you to be part of our family.
Okay, are you ready?
Let's begin with habit number 1.
Habit number 1. Listen to English podcasts every morning.
This is so simple.
Every morning, while you drink your coffee or eat breakfast, listen to an English podcast.
It can be any podcast you like. News, stories, interviews, anything.
The important thing is to listen. You don't need to understand every word.
Just let your ears get used to English sounds.
Do this for about 20 to 30 minutes.
Every single morning.
After 1 month, you will notice a big difference.
Your listening skills will improve so much.
And you know what?
What?
We can use our podcasts for this.
Yes! This channel has many episodes perfect for beginners.
Okay, let's move to habit number 2.
Habit number 2. Change your phone language to English.
Oh, this is a powerful one.
Very powerful.
Think about it.
How many times do you use your phone every day?
Maybe 50 times?
Maybe 100 times?
Exactly.
So if your phone is in English, you see English all day long.
Settings, messages, apps.
Everything.
At first, it might feel strange.
You might feel confused.
But after a few days, you get used to it.
And without even trying, you learn new words.
Words like settings, notifications, battery, storage.
These are useful everyday words.
So go to your phone settings right now.
Change the language to English.
Trust me, this works.
Great habit, Alex.
Thank you, Emma.
Let's go to habit number 3.
Habit number 3. Learn 5 new words every day.
Only 5?
Yes, only 5.
That sounds easy,
It is easy.
but it is also very effective.
Here is how you do it.
Every day, choose 5 new words.
Write them on sticky notes.
Small, colorful papers.
Put them in places where you will see them.
On your mirror.
On your fridge.
On your desk.
Every time you see the word, say it out loud.
And use it in a sentence.
For example, if the word is grateful, say, I am grateful for my family.
After 1 week, you remove the old words.
And you add 5 new words.
In 1 month, you learn 150 new words.
In 1 year, you learn 1,825 words.
That is incredible.
Yes, it is.
Small habit, big results.
Exactly.
Okay, habit number 4. Habit number 4, talk to yourself in English.
Wait, talk to myself?
Yes.
Like out loud?
Yes, out loud.
But isn't that weird?
Not at all.
Okay, tell me more.
When you are alone, talk to yourself in English.
About what?
About anything.
Like what?
Describe what you are doing.
For example?
For example, you are making coffee.
Okay,
You say, I am making coffee now.
I see.
I am pouring water into the cup.
Got it.
Or you can practice conversations.
Pretend I'm talking to someone?
Exactly.
Like, hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you.
Yes.
This actually sounds helpful
It is.
because there's no pressure.
no one is listening.
No one is judging.
You can make mistakes freely.
And practice pronunciation.
Do this while you cook, while you clean, while you walk.
Okay, I will try this.
You should.
Great tip, Emma.
Thank you, Alex.
Now, habit number
Habit number 5. Write a short journal every evening.
Oh, I love journaling.
It is very effective.
How long should the journal be?
Not long at all.
How many sentences?
Just 3 to 5 sentences.
That's it?
That's it.
What should I write about?
Write about your day.
Simple things?
Yes, very simple.
Like, today I went to work.
Exactly.
I had lunch with my friend Sarah.
Perfect.
I felt happy today.
Great.
That is so easy.
Yes, and very powerful.
Why?
Because it helps you practice writing.
True.
And it helps you think in English.
Right.
And over time, your sentences become longer and better.
I can see that.
Do this every evening before bed.
Just 3 to 5 sentences.
Yes.
I will start tonight.
Excellent.
Okay, what is habit number 6? Habit number 6. Watch videos with English subtitles.
Not in your native language?
No, in English.
Why?
Because when you read and listen at the same time, you learn faster.
That makes sense.
You see how words are spelled.
And you hear how they are pronounced.
Exactly.
What kind of videos should I watch?
Anything you enjoy.
YouTube videos?
Yes.
Netflix shows?
Yes.
Movies?
Yes.
But turn on English subtitles,
Correct.
not subtitles in my native language.
Right.
How long should I watch?
At least 30 minutes to 1 hour every day.
That is easy because I already watch videos every day.
Exactly.
I just need to change the subtitles.
That's all.
This is a smart habit.
It really is.
Okay, habit number 7.
Habit number 7. Practice shadowing.
Wait, what is shadowing?
Shadowing is when you listen to English and repeat immediately.
Like copying?
Exactly.
You copy the sounds,
Yes.
the rhythm,
Yes.
the intonation,
Yes.
everything.
Everything.
How do I practice this?
Find a short video or audio.
How short?
Maybe 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay,
Listen to it once.
just listen.
Yes, just listen.
Then what?
Then play it again.
And repeat?
Yes, repeat everything you hear.
At the same time.
Yes, like a shadow.
Following right behind.
Exactly.
How long should I do this?
About 15 to 20 minutes every day.
This sounds challenging,
It is.
but effective.
Very effective.
For pronunciation
Yes.
and fluency.
Yes.
Okay, I will try it.
You should.
Actually, we have a whole video about shadowing on this channel.
Yes, we do.
Check it out after this video.
Great idea.
Now, habit number 8. Habit number 8. Think in English before sleeping.
This is interesting.
Very interesting.
How does it work?
Every night, when you lie in bed, think about your day.
In English?
Yes, in English.
Not in my native language.
No.
What should I think about?
Think about what you did today.
Like, today I woke up at 7.
Yes.
I went to work.
Yes.
I talked to my colleague.
Perfect.
I ate pasta for dinner.
Exactly.
This is like a mental journal,
Yes.
but in my head.
Right.
No writing,
No writing.
just thinking.
Just thinking.
How long should I do this?
Just a few minutes.
Until I fall asleep.
Yes.
This is relaxing
It is.
and helpful for English
Very helpful.
because you are training your brain to think in English naturally.
Exactly.
I like this habit.
Me too.
Okay, we have 2 more habits left.
Yes. Habit number 9. Habit number 9. Listen to English songs and read the lyrics.
Music is powerful for learning.
Very powerful.
How should I use it?
Choose an English song you like.
Any song?
Any song.
Pop, rock, jazz?
Anything.
Then what?
Listen to the song.
And read the lyrics at the same time?
Yes.
Where do I find lyrics?
On the internet.
Just search the song name and lyrics?
Yes.
Okay.
Listen and read together.
This helps me learn pronunciation
Yes.
and new words.
Yes.
And it is fun
Very fun.
because I love music.
Exactly.
Learning should be enjoyable.
Absolutely.
How often should I do this?
Every day, 1 or 2 songs.
That is easy.
It is.
I already listen to music every day.
Perfect.
I just need to read the lyrics too.
That's all.
Great habit, Emma.
Thank you, Alex.
Now, the final habit.
Habit number 10.
Habit number 10. Record yourself speaking English.
Oh, this one is important,
Very important.
but also scary for some people
Why scary?
because people don't like hearing their own voice.
That is true.
But it is so helpful.
How do I do this?
Use your phone.
Just the voice recorder app?
Yes.
What should I say?
Talk about your day.
For how long?
Just 1 or 2 minutes.
That's it?
That's it.
Then what?
Listen to it.
Listen to myself?
Yes.
Why?
So you can hear your mistakes.
Oh.
You can hear your pronunciation.
Right.
You can notice where you struggle.
That makes sense.
And the next time you record, you improve.
So I keep recording every week?
Yes, maybe once or twice a week.
And over time, I get better.
Much better.
I can track my progress.
Exactly.
This is like having a teacher.
But the teacher is you.
I like that.
It is very powerful.
Okay, so those are the 10 habits.
Yes.
Let's review them quickly.
Habit 1. Listen to English podcasts every morning for 20 to 30 minutes.
Habit 2. Change your phone language to English.
Habit 3. Learn 5 new words every day using sticky notes.
Habit 4. Talk to yourself in English when you are alone.
Habit 5. Write a short journal every evening, just 3 to 5 sentences.
Habit 6. Watch videos with English subtitles for 30 minutes to 1 hour daily.
Habit 7. Practice shadowing for 15 to 20 minutes every day.
Habit 8. Think in English before you fall asleep.
Habit 9. Listen to English songs and read the lyrics.
And Habit 10. Record yourself speaking once or twice a week for 1 or 2 minutes.
Those are the 10 habits.
Now, you might be thinking, that is a lot.
It is a lot.
But here is the secret.
Don't do all 10 habits at once.
Exactly.
Start with just one.
Choose the easiest one for you. Maybe changing your phone language.
Or listening to podcasts in the morning.
Do that one habit for 1 week.
Make it a routine.
Then, add another habit.
Week 2, add a second habit.
Week 3, add a third habit.
Slowly build up.
In 2 or 3 months, you will be doing all 10 habits. And by then, they will feel natural,
Not forced.
not stressful.
Just part of your day.
That is how you build lasting habits.
Small steps.
Big results.
Okay, my friend.
We have reached the end.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for learning with us.
Now, before you go, please do 3 things.
Number 1, subscribe to this channel.
Press the red button below,
We make simple English videos every week.
and we want you to be part of our journey.
Number 2, give this video a thumbs up,
It helps other people find this video.
and it helps them learn English too.
Number 3, leave a comment.
Tell us which habit you will start with.
Right, I will start with habit number,
We want to hear from you.
and we will reply to your comment.
Remember, learning English is a journey.
Not a race.
Every small step counts.
Every habit matters.
Be patient with yourself
Be kind to yourself.
and keep going.
You are doing great.
We believe in you.
See you in the next video.
Take care of yourself.
Keep learning.
Keep smiling.
Goodbye, my friend.
See you soon.